Hi there and welcome to my fun little crafty adventure. A little bit of a different setup today, a little bit of a different video. Today we're going to be looking at, it is getting chilly, sweater weather. This is actually a sweatshirt I got from Goodwill, so maybe not a sweater, but you get the point. And we need some free crochet patterns for the fall. And I am here to give that to you because I am nothing if not a thrifty, crafty girl. And free crochet patterns for the fall is both thrifty and crafty. So I have 5 that are like kind of like decorations, accessories, whatever. And then I have 5 sweater patterns. And so yeah, I will just show them to you. I got my little candle, I got my little hot apple cider. I want to have a variety of crafty content, not just all like, make this project with me. Part of the reason why I'm doing a little bit of a different video today specifically is because I've also been having a lot of wrist and hand pain, and you might be like, oh Hannah, you're only 19. Yeah, that's the problem. So aside from like crocheting and needing to care for my body as a crocheter and like wanting to do this my whole life, I'm also studying cardiac sonography, and cardiac sonographers have a predisposition already towards things like carpal tunnel syndrome, things like that, because there's so much repetitive hand movement. And so if I don't want to lose my career and the love of my life, crocheting, sorry Adam, I need to really take care of my body and listen to it, and my body needs to rest and recover. I even ordered myself a pair of little compression gloves that I wear to bed. So hopefully I will recover soon and get back to projects and things like that. But without further delay, pattern number 1. So the first pattern is the Great Star Pumpkin. You might say, Hannah, there are so many crochet pumpkin patterns, so many free, why this one? Well, let me tell you why. I'm a big jasmine stitch girl. Now, that does not mean I've used it a lot, but that means I love, love, love it. So that was what made me like this pumpkin above a lot of other ones. Now they're all super cute, don't get me wrong. This was just my fave, and it is by Crafting for Weeks, and I think it's super cute. I have to consider if I have a spot for it before I make it, but if I do, I will definitely be making this one this fall. To be fair, the only other pattern that I've made using the jasmine stitch was literally just this little bag, and it is my snack bag for my purse because I carry a giant purse because I love to have all my little things. Love that pattern. And the next pattern is by Studio Madeline, and it is for a garland, and there's leaves and little mushrooms. Stop. I mean, seriously, just imagine that hanging like from my little craft area. It's gorgeous, it's lovely, it's stunning. The pattern comes in 2 links that will be in the description. It's one for the leaf and one for the mushroom. But then she strung them together and it turned out so stinking cute. Again, there's a lot of free patterns for garlands out there for the fall with leaves and stuff like that. This is just my favorite. I think it's because of the mushrooms. Yeah, I think it's super cute. Okay, the next one I'm very excited about, but I need to like control myself. This is the Leafly Autumn Hat by Handmade. And it is just so pretty. I think it's such a pretty pattern. It's so creative. It's so stunning for the fall. I love the leaves, and you could like use variegated yarn to make it like turning leaves. I just think it's so lovely. I wish I had the brain to do things like this, but you could even like mix and match yarns, do like some red, some green, some yellow. Ugh, I'm just really excited about this one. And it's for free. What a catch, what a steal. Props to Handmade. Okay, our last pattern for the kind of, that's actually such a lie, there's 2 more. For the decoration, like accessory thing. Okay, it's cold, it's chilly. I'm a big chilly girl. I'm always cold. I bought a blanket to keep in Adam's car because I'm literally always frozen. And he keeps the car really cold. And so I just I always have socks on. I'm one of those freaks that sleeps with socks on. 1 hour crochet slippers I present to you. These are by Christy Simpson. They're available on allfreecrochet.com. Again, all this will be linked in the description. And they are so cute. If you get a chunky yarn, if you get a chunky wool, imagine how cozy. Just imagine it. Just imagine. So cozy, am I right? Yeah, I'm excited about these. I've made little crochet slippers or chunky socks or whatever before, but they've always taken me so long. And by that time, I'm just frozen to the bone. So it's really cool that there's this really simple, free, quick pattern to whip up. Yeah, I think that would be really fun and funky with some wool yarn or some really chunky, I don't even know. The other day I was at a yarn store and I saw that yarn that's made from those bunnies. I will be raising those bunnies in my future. I forget the name of them, but they're the yarn bunnies, you know, obviously. Anyways, okay. The last one of the kind of fun and funky decoration accessories is going to be the witch hat by Thornwood Designs. I also saw somewhere that the creator behind Thornwood Designs is Nan Sovdi. I'm really out on a limb there, but I think it's so cute. What made me pick this one was I like the little stars you can add onto that. I thought that was really cute. I like the shape of this hat. It wasn't so super tall or really squat, and I like the proportions. I thought the brim was super cute. I thought the way it kind of goes like in and out, to look all rumpled is really cute. And yeah, and she even says in the pattern to make it into other kinds of little character hats. You could do it in navy blue and add the stars and it'd be a wizard hat. I just think that's adorable. And it's available in a PDF form, so you don't even have to deal with any ads. Love that. All right, on to the sweaters. I'm a big sweater gal. I love a good sweater. I have too many sweaters, in fact. I won't even say that. That's so wrong of me. I love every sweater. But this is the Grateful and Thankful cardigan, and it is by Hey Crochet. And she is I don't know, an amazing creator. And this sweater is so cute. Now, she did in all fall colors. Hypothetically, you could do that in any colors for any season, any kind of wear. It's really cute because she also has a little pumpkin granny square involved in the cardi. I think it's on the back. And I just think it's adorable. I don't know if I have any granny square sweaters. That's not true. Well, I have a heart granny square sweater. Anyways, I think it's really adorable. And I always love a good granny square sweater because they're not super overheating for the fall because they have a little aeration. So yeah, I love the color she picked and I love the design. Next, I'm excited about this one. Next is the Happy at Home hoodie pattern by Evelyn and Peter Crochet. Look at this masterpiece. So cozy, really oversized, which I know is totally the thing these days. I love it because I love just being able to throw something on and feel totally comfortable. And yeah, the reason I'm so excited about this is because I made it. It was not for this video. I made it quite a while ago. Actually when I was still back home with my parents, so I guess in high school. And I chose this pink yarn. And it is so cute and so fun. I love the really long drawstrings. And then of course, so it splits on the side, which is nice for comfort. I love the really thick ribbing at the bottom. And the little hood in the back. It is one of my favorite sweaters, I think, and it's, I would say, definitely the biggest sweater that I've ever made, and it's really warm and cozy. It's a really good pattern. It's really easy to follow, and yeah, I love it. So that's my Happy at Home sweater by Evelyn and Peter Crochet. It's a free pattern, and it's linked below. All right, we carry on with the outfit change. The next pattern is the Fomhar pocket cardigan by Crochet with Carrie. I really like the look of this one because it is a waffle stitch, and I think waffle stitch is so cute and cozy. I would love to do this in like, I mean, yeah, I guess the similar colors, like a neutral, like warm brown. I think that would look so cute and go with so much. I think the waffle stitch is one of the most like cozy stitches to me. When I made the giant like queen size quilt, I used the waffle stitch, and I'll have to show it in another video because it's packed away right now, but it is so comfy. And I liked the pockets. That was another big plus. And so yeah, I think that's one that I definitely want to make for myself this fall because I've been wanting a waffle stitch cardigan. So when I found that one and it was so cute and it was a free pattern, I was pretty pumped. The next one is not a sweater, it is a sweater vest. It is by Cerise Hand Skills. And it is the houndstooth V-neck sweater vest. I think houndstooth is a really like, kind of like classic, a little bit like retro at this point. And I think it looks really preppy and cute, and I think the oversizedness of the sweater makes it really cozy for the fall. This is another one that I definitely want to try and make for myself. I think it's so cute. I love the green. Kind of takes some of the like preppiness down to be a little more cute. And her video seems really informational and really easy to follow, and so yeah, I'm excited about that one. I've only made a few sweater vests, but none have really been totally, by a few I mean one, and it's very form-fitting and it's a little cropped, and so I really only ever wear that over like an undershirt. But I like this one that's so oversized. I think it's like a very different vibe, and so I want to try and make this this fall. All right, and the last one, which I think is the cutest pattern like ever. Like if I know I said this is one of my favorite sweaters. This is one of my other favorite sweaters, although ask me that about any one of them and I would say it's my favorite. It is the Crochet Patchwork Winter. I know I'm a little bit out of season, but I'm a chilly girl. I wear warm things in the fall. Cardigan. It's also by Crochet with Carrie. And so I've also made this sweater. This one I made a little more recently. I think it may have even been for last fall. And I love this sweater. All the different squares and all the different textures are just so fun, and I think it looks like a really skillful piece. It looks very intricate, but, and while it is, it's also, I think, pretty beginner friendly. You might want to have a little bit of experience just with different stitches and things like ribbing, but honestly, you just learn square by square and you just learn each stitch pattern and then you make a certain number. Mine turned out a little bit different than hers because I'm not a girl who does a gauge swatch. I don't know if I ever will be, but I had to make, you know, a few extra squares here and there. But this is how mine turned out. And I have a craft thrift store right near me, and so I went and bought some buttons. And talk about fall, I mean, seriously, look at these little leaf-shaped buttons that I got. I mean, adorable. So this is my sweater, and here's the back. So all in all, these are like my fave fall patterns. There's some that obviously this one and the Happy at Home sweater, I personally recommend. I think they're so cute. I wear them all the time in the fall, and they really, I think they're both pretty manageable and approachable, but when completed, they look really like professional. So I would definitely say give those a shot, and all of these patterns are free, and they're all going to be linked in the description, and definitely show support to all of the designers and creators who made these. I aspire to be like that one day. I got to get my design on. I'm sorry this video wasn't as necessarily like crafty, because like I wasn't crafting, but I hope this inspires you to be crafty and maybe you check out some of the videos and get inspired. So definitely have a fun and funky fall day. Stay warm and cozy, and yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, why don't you leave a like and subscribe so I get some positive affirmation to keep making fun and crafty videos. Yay! All right, that's all.